Hi, I'm An, Senior Director of Product Education for Haus Labs, and we're going to drop our foundation shade navigation tips on how you could find your right match. I got you. First pro tip is to go towards a window to get the best natural lighting or use a beauty light to gauge the shade on your face, neck, and collarbone area. There may be a variance in shades and undertone, which is totally normal. The goal is to find a balance with shade matching. Also, finding your right shade is about your preference and what works best for you. Step 1. Determine your skin tone, which means skin depth. Where do you fall on the spectrum of deep to fair? We've got 51 inclusive shades broken out by 6 skin tone families. Because of our wide shade range, each family has more shade offerings within each skin tone, so you may classify as a different skin tone from what you're used to. For example, I usually see myself as a medium skin tone when I've matched with other foundations, but at Haus Labs, I'm actually on the deeper end of the light medium due to the wide shade range. I highly recommend taking our shade finder quiz online or getting a closer look at our shade model so you can see where you land. Step 2. Find your undertone. Rooted in art and science, we classify our undertones based off the color wheel system. If this means absolutely nothing to you, then don't worry. We will break it down. You may know more than you think. Think of undertones in terms of temperature color, like when you edit a photo on your phone. Warm to us is anything on the pink, rosy, and peachy side. Think of when you get hot temperature-wise. You tend to get flushed and even rosy looking. Cool undertones are more of that neutral yellow to olive undertone. Neutral is a mix of both. Our range is packed with neutral shades, which is truly the best of both worlds of cool and warm tones. My ultimate tip is to start with the neutral shade closest to your skin tone. Let's play with some options. I know I'm not a warm tone, so I'm going to pick a neutral and cool tone option from the deeper end of the light medium shade family. This one's 270 light medium neutral. Now let's swatch 260 light medium cool. Wow, both look like they would actually work, so let's try them on. Let's apply 270 light medium neutral all over the face. You can start with one full pump and add more if needed. I'm actually loving how this looks. It complements my neck and collarbone area and gives me a little boost of color. Let's wipe it off and try 260 light medium cool, which is my true undertone color. This is also a really beautiful option. It looks like my truest match. Okay, it's decision time. These both look great and will work. It just comes down to my preference. I think 270 neutral will be my winner because I just love how it evened out my skin while giving me a little warmth. If you're ever in between shades, it just comes down to preference. You can absolutely match with your true undertone or go towards neutral to give yourself that beautiful balance. We hope this was helpful. Tell us what you think. Till next time.